Hey guys, got a package here again, and it's also from Shopee. Let's check this out. All we need is this. It's TOLSEN random orbital sender. Let's see what inside. No bubble wrap, but it's been wrapped. We had a free manual and a piece of sanding pad, 60, 40, and 1 to 1 day. Set aside. We got the plastic bag. Joke. Nice. Cool. See? There's the variable speed from 1 to 6. Your switch. Oh, nice. It looks like a heavy duty one. I hope. Euro plug again. Let's try if it does work. Okay. Oh, meron siyang vacuum bag. Siguro may vacuum type siya. So lalabas dito yung yung mga alikabok. But anyway, I guess so. But if you have the vacuum cleaner, you can just attach it here. Let's try to find some adapter for this. Alright, I got one. And choke. And try plug in. What the heck? Make sure it's off. And see. Let's start from first gear. Speed up. Yep. The vacuum seems to be strong. Working naman. It's nice. And what's the best thing in here, it's hindi siya ganun kamahal. I think it's only like 1,500 something. Alright, so that's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you on my next one. Thanks.